Hey, what's going on, everybody? What's going on? Back with another EVBASE video. I actually got this box maybe 3 months ago, but it's been bad weather in my neck of the woods. So it either was raining, snowing, freezing. Today is actually a decent day. We are in the 50s. So I say, you know what? Let me give this one a shot. All right. This should be side skirts, but let's take a look at what it really is. All right. What the heck is this? They go with a bag of little screws and stuff. Let me see what's inside here. It looked like for you to actually do this, for to look on a website and see what the instructions are. All right, regular hand tools, bunch of screws. Okay. All right, I looked at everything. Looked on my phone, got everything figured out. Pretty much have to line them up. On each of them, it will say left. This one has an L for left, so you know both of these are left, and you pretty much just line them up. So this is for the left side. Got a bag of screws right here. As you can see, it's 3 holes right here. You just screw them right in. Biggest thing you will see 2 sets of screws. You see a small screws, and you will also see a bigger screw. The small screws is the one that goes here. You put the bigger screws in, you realize it's tough to get in there, and then you wind up making a hole too big. I figured it out just before I went too far. That's in. Now you do the same thing with this guy. First line them up. All right, so I got it on. So now is the point of getting it on the side of the car. Let's see how that works out. Right here, this says right side, and that should be this side of the car. All right, I think I got it figured out. I was actually putting it in wrong. I had to watch a video. The instructions were a little weird because the instructions were just giving you pictures, what you're gonna see on the screen. It'll show you pictures and everything. So when you see the video, it makes all the sense in the world. Now, since the car is so low, I won't be able to get underneath it and screw it on. So that's why I got 2 jacks. It seemed like it works best if you have 2 people on this, but since I'm by myself, I'm gonna use this jack just to support the back while I worry about the front. And one thing I also realized is that these mud flaps won't work the way it's set up. Now you can see that it's supposed to line up right here. So basically right here is the way it's supposed to be. So since I know I got that side straight, I'm going to see if I can use this jack right here just to support this side. Look about right here. So now here comes the moment of truth. All right, that's one. All right, this is pretty much how it would look once it's on there. There's really no adhesive on it. It's just those screws hold it. It's very, very lightweight. Now I'm gonna go to the other side and do it. All right, that's it. Actually, the longest part was figuring out how do it go on. But once you get that part figured out, it was straightforward. No problems at all. This is pretty much how it looks. The only thing I'm gonna miss maybe is my mud flaps. I guess those are mud flaps right there though. The way these are set up, maybe that's supposed to be mud flaps. Who knows? But no mud flaps. It looks pretty good. I mean, I must say. But as you could probably tell, I love the carbon fiber. Got the carbon fiber. I don't even know what you call this thing, but this is pretty cool. I got the carbon fiber fin, which is pretty cool. I got the carbon fiber emblem, which is pretty cool. This is the other side. Yeah, spoiler. See how it is. Take it out for a drive later on today. And this is right here is my favorite. I had this on for at least 8 months now. I put it on back in, I want to say June, July-ish time frame, and it's still on. No problem. Went through hundreds of car washes. I go to the car wash at least twice a week, to get the salt off and everything. And of course, I have a monthly subscription for the car wash, so that makes life easier. I take it there, but yeah, this has been holding on strong, real strong. No problems at all. This is very good. I was a little nervous at first with this, but it's pretty good. Of course, I got a carbon fiber front emblem. Yeah, I'm a big carbon fiber look fan. And yeah, this is about it. One thing I will say is when you're installing this, the instructions are a little vague, but after watching the video, and even the video I saw was vague, but after installing it, I realized that middle piece where I put the 3 screws in the beginning, that should be done at the end. You attach it, and the way you attach it, you can just snap it up. They want you to put one piece on at a time. You put the rear on first, and you put the front on last, and therefore you don't need 2 people. You could just do the rear on. Once the rear is on, then you attach it with those 3 screws, and then you put the front on. So it's really a one-man job, but obviously I didn't do it that way, so I worked a little harder, not smarter, but it happens. But I actually like the look. See, it lasts. If this lasts anywhere near the front spoiler, oh my God, this would be great. The only thing now I have to do is put the fasteners back on, since I took it off of the the mud flaps. Now it's a hole there, and luckily I kept the original short fasteners, so that should be 1, 2, 3. Kept them right here. Look at that. Always keep your stuff when you do any type of modification, upgrades, or changes. Always keep the original equipment. I just keep it in the car, because if I bring it in the house, the baby will grab it. Next thing you know, it's down the toilet. So I keep them in the car. Now I'm just going to pop these on, and this will be all done. Just like that. It's all finished. Better clean these rims up. I'll be hitting curves like crazy. I'm actually going to change the rims, put them back to the factory for the summertime. Give these tires a break. Yep, besides that, everything looks good. Once again, my carbon fiber look is pretty good. If you like this rear spoiler, or actually any one of these upgrades that I got on it, like I said, this is my favorite. So far, this is my favorite. See how the real spoiler act keeps up, but this one been on here for like since July-ish, June, July-ish. So this is great. Yeah, if you like anything, you just go to EVBASE website. There should be some links in the description. Or if you just want to go to the website without clicking the link, go to evbase.com and you can just put in Gadget Pimp or Gadget Geek, but Gadget Pimp, and you will get a discount. Not sure what the discount is. I think it's 20%, but it changes to have different type of promotions. But yeah, that's pretty much it. This is actually a quick install if you do it the right way. Once again, if you first install the rear, then install the front. If you do it that way, you don't need two people. You don't need the extra jacks that I did. I made this job a lot harder than what it is. But, now if I have to do it all over again, it'll be a breeze, one piece at a time. You don't need any help. Just put it up there and hope for the best. All right, everyone. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, do all that stuff. And get you one of these, especially if you have Tesla. This is the 2024 version. I know they have a new Model Y out now, so I'm pretty sure they're going to have updated products for that. But like I said, thanks for watching. Check you on the next video. Peace.